Hey, my name's Scott, and this is just a quick video for this OXO garlic press. So let me tell you a couple things about it as I tell you the features, and there's a few things that I really like about this that I don't find with some other garlic presses. So first off, just the grippy handle just makes it easier for you to use. It's not going to slide out of your hand, but what I love about this is there's two main things I love. The first is, see the size of the opening there for the garlic to get pressed on through. A lot of garlic presses, it's too small to tell you the truth. When I press my garlic in, I still want to have a little bit of a bite of garlic, and this, I find this size hole or opening for it to go through is great. The other thing I like is that as you open up the garlic press, this little flap here you see will open up all the way like this. So this makes it like a million times easier to clean this whole thing out, because you can just pull it out all the way and clean it, and you don't have to keep digging in as deep because everything comes out. It's a little bit easier for you to do. So really big fan of that. All this is just made with like aluminum or type of like metal there, so it's really easy to clean. It's not going to rust. It's not going to have any issues with it, and very easy to use with one hand. Just put a piece of garlic in there. You can go ahead and squeeze it on down with no issues at all. So great little garlic press. I'm a big